Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Hope you're having a great Wednesday. Hump day for you. All right, today's episode is top 12 reasons you need a business website in 2020. And actually, what does this have to do with money? Making money online? Because you're going to help those business owners that need a website in 2020. So let's go through the list, and I'm going to show you how you can absolutely capitalize on this sort of need without having any expertise of basically of building websites or anything like that. So let's jump on it. Make sure that you subscribe. Sorry, I've got my notes up so I can't see myself. There I am. So let's get, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. And I'm going to tell you the top 12 reasons why you basically need a website. I'm going to be reading a bit because I made notes. This is going to be a blog post, so I'm just going to sort of go through the notes for you here. So number one, you will get more customers and basically, here, let me move this guy up here so I'm not distracted. You will get more customers, and modern customers expect it. Like, guys, this is just, it's expected. So it's the digital era we're living in. Before anybody wants to know about their business, they're going to go to their phone. They're going to look up your website. They're going to look up your website. They're going to try to find you online. They're going to find you on Google. They're going to find out what you're doing. So hopefully you're not using just a Facebook page that's connected to your personal page, and your personal page has crazy stuff on it, and you're going, yeah, you don't want that. No matter what type of business you have, you should have a website. Even if you're an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, even if you're between jobs, and we'll get to that. So number one, you have to have the website, and basically, what is it? More customers in digital period, like 2020, more than 2.4 billion people use the internet every single day. And some 90% of those have purchased something online. So that's crazy. So you need to be online. Not saying that you're going to sell your service online, but if there's a way, like, guys, I just went and bought a steam cleaner, right? I went online, I found it, I paid for it online, I went and picked it up. So we're interacting with the internet in so many different ways. Number two, gain credibility. If you're talking about, if someone tells me about their business and I go look at and I can't find them online, I'm like, yeah, they don't even have a website, right? You got to have it. This is just reality. You just need to have a web. If you're operating without a website, then you're not really, you're kind of just playing at business. You're not really doing business, right? So number three, it's a cost-effective solution. Like when I was in real estate, we spent a ton of money on mailouts. But if you're smart, you can make your marketing campaigns so inexpensive using your website, driving traffic to your website, creating content for your website, which brings in organic traffic that attracts more people. Guest articling for other websites that then drive traffic back to your website. So it's an amazing cost-effective solution. Your customers can stay updated. You want to make sure that your website is updated, and this is where the making money part comes in, because you can offer a service where you keep the websites updated in a very simple way, especially if they're services, like plumbers, dentists, HVAC, plumbers, locksmith, towing, any of that. They don't need a lot of updates on their website. Maybe it's an hour a month. So you charge them, you would be charging a fee, a hosting fee or a maintenance fee, and they don't have to worry about their website, and you just continue to monitor it for a very, very, very small amount of time each month, and you charge a premium for that. So where was I? 3, 4, customers can stay updated. 5, accessibility around the clock. You want people to be able to learn about your company 24/7, no matter where they are. Someone's late at night. We're always looking for information. So you want to have relevant information on there, or as a business, you really want that information on there. You'll appear in Google search results, which everybody wants to be on page 1 of Google. You can actually target a wider audience. You may start getting, depending on what your service is, you may start getting clients from outside of your coverage area, which is great, especially if you can provide a service, or maybe you have if it's a physical thing, maybe you have a company that you can refer to and make money by referring that person in that other jurisdiction or have just a reciprocal referral thing with someone like that. Like for example, realtors, when we refer across the country, or when I used to be a realtor, we would get a 20% of the commission for referring someone across the country and giving them to another realtor. It also provides a medium to showcase your work, right? So you can showcase your work, you can show what you have, you can show projects, all this kind of thing, which is really important when consumers are doing research on a company, better communication with customers, and you get to control the narrative, which is really great. Like if you don't have a website online where you might be doing work and you might be getting a ton of bad press out there and you need some reputation management, well, you can do it if you have a really good website that's up to date. If people are only finding negative stuff, if you have a website that's got good content on it, that will trump those negative reviews, or people can compare it. If they only see the bad reviews, that's what they're going to think. Marketing. Internet has opened, like, there's so many ways to market now. You've got so many ways of different social media. And again, this is a way to make money, guys. So you could be the middleman. So here's a little secret, right? We charge $250 a month to do social media management. And all we do is basically turn on a campaign that's already done for it. We pay another company a fee. They create all the content, all the niche content, everything. We just turn on a switch and then we charge our clients. Pretty easy. You don't need to know how to do social media. You just need to know how to be one step ahead of someone else. So marketing, right? Number 11, you can beat your competitors. And even if you're a smaller player, you can have a really robust website and a really robust web presence by having someone like let's say you're adding a piece of content every week, right? You're writing articles. Maybe you're in the accountant field, so you're always writing articles about best practices, how to save money management, all these kind of things, and you just keep writing these articles and building up all these articles. Well, your domain's going to get authority, and there might be a huge tax firm that's not doing that, where you're beating them out because you're creating this content. And again, as someone that wants to make money online, if you have an agency that does that, it's really easy, guys, to get the accountant, right? Say, oh yeah, we charge $100 a month for hosting and web management, and that includes one article a month, right? Oh, really? Yeah, you get an article a month, and we host your website, and then you say, well, and we'll build your website up front. We'll build a professional 8 to 10 page website for $500, and done. And guys, again, let's stick around to the end because I show you how to build these websites like that. All right. And number 12, if you're just a solo person, a website can really help you find a job. So those are the reasons why getting into the agency business is a great way to make money online. Even as a side gig, people are doing this part-time. Guys, I'm setting up campaigns for leads. My phone is ringing. I wish I should have brought it in here. Like, I've got this campaign going where I'm targeting a local service company, and we build websites for them. But what happens is it does a voice drop, like a voicemail to them, and then I get all these callbacks around between 7 and 8 o'clock at night. It's like ding, 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 ding. Like all these callbacks can be like, hey, I missed a call from you. And then they go check their voicemail, and then they can schedule an appointment with us. All right, so I'm going to jump on here. Let me show you how quick and easy it is. Let me get on here. Let me see if I can find it here. I wasn't going to bring it up. Where's my login? I have to find it. Oh, shoot. There it is. All right, let me log in here quickly, and then I'll show you guys. Log in. All right. So let's say you land an accountant. or let's say whatever. Let's say you here. I'll show my screen here. This is so great, guys. Let's say you land an appliance repair guy, right? So you say, great, we can give you, it's $100 a month. And basically what you get is you get us to maintain your website. You get about an hour of maintenance each month, and you get an article, and you get a website that looks like this. How cool is that, right? Like, it's got everything is written here, all types of appliance repairs, everything that they just need to tweak out the stuff, right? Oven repair, cooktop repair, services, dishwasher repair, washer and dryer repair, refrigerator. Like, they get this smoking cool website that's there I am on screen. It's mobile responsive, right? Like, this is a dream, guys. It's so simple. So basically, they're like, yeah, bring it on. So all you need to do is you hit use, and what you want to do on this this software is amazing. We love it. We love it. So basically, you do use, and you would save the site as the person's name. You would do a couple little things. It's running slow because I'm doing a video, as it always does. So the only thing you really need to do, guys, is before you do the first round with them, you go into site settings. I'll show you this so quickly. And you do replace company details. And you've gotten all your company's details. You just replace the stuff here. And when you hit replace, it just changes it all across the board. This number becomes this number. This number is their number, right? Down here, it becomes their address. This map becomes their map, right? All the stuff, everywhere where it says the company, it puts in the actual company's name, like whatever company you put in there. And then all you need to do is you hit publish, you set up the publishing settings, which is super, super simple. And you basically, which is I'm going to give you a hosting company where they give you the information, or I can give you the information. And then you just point their domain at it and you send it to there, and their website is done. Guys, it's that easy. What's great, if they stop paying you, you're in control of it, right? Like you're like, hey, we're on this thing. If you want to take it, move it to another server, that's fine. You move it to another server and you cancel the service. But guys, an appliance repair person that has a website that's kept up to date every single month and is getting an article every month, it's going to put them ahead of the reputation. You're going to just click on this and you just change out their logo like that, open image library. Like, guys, it's so easy. Also, what comes with this software is it's basically every tutorial is done. Like, if you need help doing any of it, there's a video that shows you exactly how to do it. So you just have to walk through it. That's it, guys. So you can go out and tell people, hey, you need a website, and I can build you a website, and it's only going to cost you $100 a month to maintain it, get articles, get updated. And if you want a social media package, I can do that too. And I can show you software that actually does that as well. But that is, how cool is that? I love it. Let me, come on. Excuse me. Sorry. We're still getting over the sickness of the house. It's not coronavirus. It's not. So, guys, this is so great. So businesses need websites no matter what. Like, every business, if you're a dog walker, right? And we have a website for dog walkers. We have acupuncturists, massage therapists, beauty salons. I've got 438 beauty salons I've been marketing to, and they're calling me back in droves, right? So we're doing a bunch of beauty salon stuff. But guys, this stuff is so easy to do. You can deliver it quickly, and it's done. This is all done for you. Like, it's gone are the days where you have to sit there and compile all their information, get all their text and stuff like that, and then sit down in front of a WordPress site and try to build it all out and try to design something. You'd never do it. You wouldn't. It's not worth the money. Now these are done for us. All we do is basically we charge a fee to set it up. Imagine doing one of these in your first month, right? You do one, $500, and you get $100 a month residual. And then next month you do two more. So you make $1,000 your second month, and now you have $300 recurring, right? And then you do two more next month, and so you make another $1,000, and now you got $500 recurring. Can you see the theme here? Now you're going, Glenn, that software must cost a ton. It doesn't. It doesn't. It is so inexpensive. Click the link. Click the very first link, and I'm telling you, you're going to blow your mind. It's so expensive. You can have this for way less than $100, and you can have I think it's 280 different themes. I think it's under $40 a month. Nah, you're going. Wait a second, Glenn. I just have to sell one of those, and it pays for my software for the year. What the? Right? Of course, you're going to need a hosting service. I'll put a link for that too. And that is, it starts out at like $6 a month or $5 a month. So you guys, you put it, and you can put as many websites on that as you want. Easy peasy. So I'm here to help you make money online. This is a really cool one. If you want a better review, I'll put a review about this software as well. I'll link to our website. And if you go, Glenn, I don't want to get into that. I don't want to deal with customers. Then below that, I'll put my affiliate program that I love promoting, and it's my biggest money maker. And it's just about referring people to online marketing education. I highly recommend you being involved with it. I highly recommend you checking it out. So do check it out. Jump on. Guys, this isn't going away. As more and more people start working from home, more and more people need websites, and they don't know what to do. And you can be the solution. And getting clients is so easy. It's so simple. Actually, I'll do a bonus. I'll put a little software that costs, I think, $27 or $37. I don't know. It's a training on how to get local leads. So, guys, basically all in right now, if you went crazy, you could have an entire business that you could scale to whatever degree you wanted for less than $100. Easy peasy. All right, guys, that's what I have for you tonight. Make sure you check it out. Definitely. I think it's all money back guarantee. So even if you go in and try it, and you're like, oh, this isn't for me, or you, for some reason, well, you'll be able to figure it out. But for some reason, you're like, I don't think so. It's all money back guaranteed. So I think you have 30 days on everything. All right, guys, have a great night. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope this is helpful for you. Start thinking. This is the age where there's a ton of money to be made in digital marketing, and it's so easy. It's never been easier to do. So make sure you jump on. All right, bye.